Now I request Dr. A.D. Sawant to present his views.
Radhe Swamiji, Dr. Rajendra Singh, Sri Hector, Sri Saukaji, Sri Pandeyji and Dr. Snehal Donde, distinguished delegates. We have just heard a very, I would say, nascent address centering around Pancha Mahabhutas and the ecology and the environment. I'm sure that we have best understood him, the principles. And rest of the things we'll speak through deliberations. The meaning of the purpose of to be holding this conference here is centering around the Vedic principles of sustainable development, which everybody has forgotten, not only this part of the world, but globally. We have been always saying, in the name of development, the interceptions and interventions done to Pancha Mahabhutas has created enormous problems. And we're all struggling to put things together with the principles of science and development technologies. But we all feel that not under control. And so we are striving very hard. What can be done? What can be done so that we get a control of those things? And there have been more failure than successes. Talking of the rivers and the water, the Mother Earth, its mining, explorations, with more of the advanced technological interventions, it is resulting into more of complexities, trying to give one solution results into creation of more problems, just like medicines and the drugs. And doing all that together in a combinations, in a symbiotic relationship, the outcome, fallout, the results, and ultimately the waste that is generated, natural, more of everything that is generated. Swamiji rightly said, even the sewage is a natural process, and so it is a valuable. Well, technologies are emerging to say waste is no more a waste. Waste is source of energy. And so we are centering around moving towards that, how that can be controlled. So there is a healthy environment. We don't damage the other lives. We don't damage the ultra pure sources of water otherwise in the rivers. And once that is done, I think they shall be in harmony. And all the struggle is for harmony. I would say, coming from agrarian family, how the ecology of villages have been damaged and disturbed. The government of India takes the first primitive step that every village has to be eco-village. I think our problems will reduce. Mother Earth's problems will reduce. There will be abundant everything on this earth to satisfy everybody's need. The forest can survive. The birds can swing. Flowers will be abundant. All the entities, life, they will be living their own harmony and symbiotic harmony. And that all happens, then the ecology can be seen. And once that ecology is seen, it's our efforts to be towards that, so that unless that is done, there will be no sustainable development, which I am again not very happy with the word development. In the name of development, we are doing interventions of this Pancha Mahabhuta. So, if it is done in the right perspectives, I think there shall be sustainability. And that is the principle of governance of the originality of the Pancha Mahabhutas, which all are worshipping in different forms. Hope we adhere to that, and this conference shall give that message and the declaration that you must worship them for harmony. Thank you very much.